At Checkpoint, we talk about the cloud as a environment which is new to customers. So it's a little bit unclear for them, so it's cloudy for them. But what we see with customers today is that they really are embracing the cloud. They are learning about the cloud. They are understanding the cloud in a much better way today. This does not really take away all the threats and all the difficulties that they experience with the cloud, but it gets them in a better position to be better protected in the cloud, because the cloud for customers today is a journey. Some of them has been there for many years. Some have just started this journey.
Okay. And what are you at Checkpoint doing against the security threats in the cloud?
So Checkpoint as a company is totally focused on security. We are only working with security, have been doing this for 26 years. When we saw the cloud started to rise 5, 6, 7 years ago, and we saw the new threats in the clouds, the old threats together with the new threats, we decided, of course, being a security company that tries to protect all our customers in all the different platforms they are present, also to be able to create products or modify, I would say, our products to fit in these new cloud environments, both to protect them against the existing threats, but also the newer type cloud threats, like the misconfigurations, the lack of visibility, and the new, not say vulnerabilities, but new issues or problems customers have with their cloud journey.
Okay. And you have something called CloudGuard for that, right?
Yes. Yeah. So CloudGuard is Checkpoint's family of products to be able to protect the different cloud environments. That includes the infrastructure as a service environments, like the Azures, the AWS, but also the private clouds like VMware NSX and Cisco ACI. But we also have a product called någon, which is also for public clouds, but to help the native security, so the security that is included in the cloud, but the product helps the customers get better visibility and better control of the native security. And the third product we have today is the software as a service product to be able to protect the customer's journey into the software as a service space, like Office 365, Salesforce, and other SaaS services.
Okay. In what ways are this solution most important for the customers?
So, if we look at the enterprises or the customers, they are in a digital transformation. They need to do things faster, better, cheaper to be able to be competitive. The cloud is the enabler for this. With the cloud, they can do this. It's built into the cloud. The services that they need to use, it's much faster to deploy something. It's elastic by nature. It's scalable by nature. So it brings all the benefits that they need in their digital transformation. So this is the main reason for customers going to the cloud today. Of course, they need to do this in a secure way. This is where Checkpoint comes in with our 26 years experience in security across all platforms. So started as a gateway or firewall vendor, but now on all different environments, like the cloud, the endpoints, the mobile, networks, etc.
And where's the market in this security in the cloud area in like 3 years? And where do you see Checkpoint's place in that market?
So let's start by answering the last question first. So the Checkpoint's play will be the same in the future that it has been up till now. We are a security vendor. We will never ever do anything else than that. But of course, we have always been known to bringing the best security, the market-leading security, and we will continue to do this in the new clouds. I see a clear trend that customers today, they don't really use the cloud as a lift and shift where they take their running servers and move them to the public cloud. This is not where they're saving money or doing things more efficient. They are cutting costs and being faster by utilizing services that are offered in the clouds, like databases in the cloud, like software as a service, like containers, like function as a service, lambdas and things like this. So I see a clear trend for enterprises today that they are re-architecting their applications. They are building them in a new way to be even faster, more competitive and cheaper, so that the customer can be a success in the future. Again, Checkpoint's role, absolutely, we help our customers in the journey to the cloud to be secure in the cloud.
Last but not least, do you have like 2 or 3 tips to customers who want to secure themselves in the cloud in the future?
Yes. So number 1 is understand the cloud. Understand why the cloud is there, why your application developers are using the cloud, how the native security works, and what is needed, the new threats against the cloud. So understand the cloud, but also understand how the different teams in the corporation, in the enterprise, are looking at security. What are their priorities? Maybe not the developers that are using the cloud has security as the top priority. Probably it's a priority for them, but maybe not the top one. Speed is more important. This is one thing. Understand the cloud and the challenges and whatever is happening there. The other one is for the security teams, a requirement for them, but also for the CISOs, the managers in the different organizations, to make sure that the ones that are responsible for the security in the enterprise have visibility into the cloud journey, have visibility into the service application, whatever is happening in your different clouds. Might be a private cloud or public cloud, whatever. This is the main issue for security teams today, the lack of visibility. And without the visibility, they cannot really help improving the security. So understanding the cloud, getting the visibility to the people that are responsible for security, these are my 2 top tips for the customer's cloud journey.
Okay, great tips, and thank you very much.
Thank you.